What makes your business different? What is different about your business, your service, what you provide? You know what? Here, let me share with you something real quick. A lot of the times, we may know, you may know what's different about you. Well, I do this different, I do that different. I do, my protocol is different, right? Because the deal is this: if you're selling the same thing everybody else is selling, then at that point, people are just going to go with the lowest price. If you're selling the exact same thing, if you're selling a facial, you're talking about a facial, you're talking about brows, you're talking about lashes, you're talking about, anything that you're selling. If you're not showing and sharing how it's different, then you are in trouble. What's up? This is your boy Wick. Wick, 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 Wick. How many wicks was that? One wick, two wick. Wicked, 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 wicked. Shut up. That sounded better. All right. Welcome to Wix World. Actually, your world. I am like the MC. I'm like the DJ. I am like the host with the most. Just trying to. I'm just here to help you shine and do the best I can for you. If you don't know me, that's what I do. I'm in this beauty business for one reason only: to help make you money by sharing some tricks and tips that I've learned over 20 years, 25 years. I don't even know how long. It's been decades of that. And that's why I know what I'm kind of sort of talking about. So here's the deal. If I'm telling you, I'm going to make this super quick, but you need to, what's different about you. You, of course, are of course different. You have a different personality. You have a unique set of education. You have your own twist you put on things. You can't, so stop selling the normal facial treatment. Don't say, hey, I got this facial, come in for a facial, $35 off. You know what? At that point, if your service looks just like Groupon, and I'll tell you one thing, Groupon is going to do a better job because that's all they do. So if your service, the product or service that you're selling, whatever, right, looks just like the Groupon one, and the Groupon one is half off, why would somebody come to you? Why? You're like, well, Wick, I'm different. Okay. I'm not. Hey, baby girl, I am with you. I ain't on Groupon side. I'm on your side, right? Right. So the deal is this: you know why you're different. You know why your product or service is different, but you have to convey that to your clients, right? And you can't convey that with just saying, hey, come in for a facial. Hey, I got an opening for a facial. Here a facial, there a facial, everywhere a facial, right? Whatever. So how do you differentiate yourself? One, like I said, you gotta always slap the word new on everything. Just do it. Just do it. This is a sheet of paper that I'm reading from right now, right? Or I got this one with all these notes. You know what? This is a sheet of paper. Here, I just folded the sheet, and now I got a new sheet of paper because it's not different. It's different than before, right? You see the difference in the sheet of paper? This is the new paper because what I've done is I've realized that, one, I can recycle paper. Hey, y'all, do you realize how much paper we are using up on a regular basis, and how many trees need to be cut for that paper? What if there's a way for you to save the trees by using less paper? Hey, what's up? This is your boy Wick, and I have created a brand new system to help you reduce the paper you're using, reduce the trees that are being cut down, so we can overall reduce global warming, and we can have and breathe the nice clean air, not only for us, for our generations to come. What is this system, you ask? Here, I have a piece of paper. The system is brand new. We're gonna start using the back of the paper as well. What? Go, absolutely go. So many times this back side of the paper has been neglected. And what I have on this idea, do this. A lot of the times we take notes on one side of the paper. What I want you to do is, instead of just throwing that piece of paper away, just put a big X on that side so you know that, and use the side. Use the back side. You can actually cut this in half. Cut this in half, fold it in half, cut it in half, and use every single time you have an idea or something of that sort. Just do this. This is a brand new system. It's gonna increase your productivity. It's gonna save the trees that we're looking for do. And you know what? We all, as human beings on planet Earth, we all have a responsibility to do the best we can and save our planet, right? So please get this brand new system of doubling your paper usage. You know, right now, this is, you know, but do you see, do you see what I'm talking about? And I've been doing sales forever, so I'll just freestyle shit like that all day long, right? But with your product and service, you differentiate it. Maybe you do a different protocol. Maybe, you know, during the facial treatment, you're doing a hot towel instead of steam. I don't know. But step one, how do you make it different? You call it new. You call it this brand new thing that no one else is doing, right? You know, go. You know, they're not doing it. You know, I have a brand new system here. Like for example, like you know, I always talk about acne. Who talk about acne? I do. Who's got two thumbs and talks about acne? I do. So if I go, you know, if I'm talking about acne, I'm like, hey, yo, you know how people are just sick and tired of dealing with the acne and acne scars, right? Acne scars, right? The problem is a lot of people, a lot of the products out there might work for a little bit, but then they stop working and the acne comes back, right? And the reason it does is they're not hitting acne at its source. So I have created this brand new acne facial treatment. And what we do is not only look at the outside of the acne, what most products are doing, but this brand new treatment that is available only here at Wix Spa Unlimited is we fight acne at its source, so you can finally not only decrease the acne, but you can finally take control of the acne and your life. Most products don't do that. Most products just look at the acne that's above, but we forget to realize that acne starts within the skin, right? Yes. So click below, get this brand new acne facial treatment that is offered nowhere else. You know, Groupon is not doing it, but you see what I'm saying? Just change something, hit something from a different angle. If you're looking at age management, right? You know, you could look at that, go, hey, we are the only thing, go, you notice that, what do they say? The eyes are the windows. Oh, what's up? Hold on, girl. Let me get like romantic. Does my breath smell? Hold on. Just, you know what's weird? Every now and then I'm doing a video and before I do the video, I'll take a breath mint. Maybe you could, I want to be fresh for you. Right, whatever. Anyway, I totally forgot what I was going to talk about. Oh, age management. Go, what's up, girl? You know how they say the eyes are the window to the soul? You know, a lot of times when we have crow's feet, or you start noticing fine lines and wrinkles developing around your beautiful facial area, you know, that can actually take the attention away from your eyes. So what we have done is we've recently created a new system that fights crow's feet at its thing. So what it does, it actually almost like irons out, similar to how you're ironing out your clothes, wrinkles from clothes. With this process that we created, this anti-crow feet facial eye treatment, make it new, brand new, it will actually get this, and we will like, woo, woo, woo. I will wax on, girl. I will wax off, girl. And this way, we not only radically reduce, decrease, you know, minimize the crow's feet there, we will actually turn back time. So next time someone sees you, the attention will not be on distracted by these lines, but they will be able to focus into your soul. Why do I not have my own TV show? Anyways, so stuff like that, right? So call it new, make it sound sexy, make it different. If your post or your thingamabob for a facial, brows, lashes, sugaring, waxing. What's your facials, brows, lashes, sugaring, waxing? I've been in this industry for too long already. But if it sounds and looks like a Groupon, you're not differentiating yourself. So you're doing yourself a disservice. Just slap the thing new on it, give it a sexy name, talk about how you are you. You are the only one doing it. This solution, the eye crow, you know, treatment, renovation, turn back the time, blah, 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 blah. Whatever you're talking about, we turn back the time of that is only available to you. They cannot find it on Groupon. They cannot find it on the web. They cannot find it anywhere except at your business. I hope you watch this video, because if you just do this, you are going to, one, differentiate yourself. You know, people say, how is this different from everything else I've seen? People have seen facial for freaking gazillion years. People have seen this for a long time. They've seen all this stuff forever and ever and ever. You can be the difference. Just saying, right? So enjoy this. I hope you like this video. I actually had some fun making it for you, because I want you to win. I really do. If this spider could talk, it would say, I want you to win too. Win, Esti, win. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. All right. Talk to you soon. Be amazing, because amazing pays oh so well. Peace.